In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images on Booking.com. If you're a host or property manager, keeping your photos fresh and accurate can make a big difference in how guests perceive your listing. I'll walk you through logging into the extranet, opening the photo gallery, uploading new images, changing the main cover photo, reordering your gallery, and deleting pictures you no longer need. Start by going to admin.booking.com and signing in with your partner account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and choose Property, then select Photos. This opens your property's main gallery in the extranet, where you can see everything that's currently visible to guests. To upload new photos, find the Add or Upload Photos button on the Photos page. Select the images from your device and upload them. Booking.com supports common formats like JPG, JPEG, and PNG, and once they're processed, they'll appear in your gallery. Aim for horizontal, landscape images whenever possible, and use high-resolution files, at least around 2048 pixels wide, to keep them sharp on all devices. Avoid watermarks or heavy branding. Clean, bright, and well-framed photos of real spaces build trust and perform better. Next, let's set your main cover photo. This is the image people see first in search results and at the top of your listing, so pick the one that best represents your property, often an inviting exterior, the most popular room, or a standout feature. In the gallery, simply drag the photo you want to the very first position. That first slot becomes your main image. While you're in the gallery, you can also reorder the rest of your photos. Click and drag them into the sequence you want guests to see. Consider a logical flow. Start with an eye-catching hero shot, then move through key spaces like the living area, bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms, and amenities. A clear order helps guests imagine your property from arrival to checkout. If you need to remove a photo, click the image you no longer want and look for the Delete or Remove option. Confirm the deletion, and it will be taken out of your listing's gallery. Just make sure you still have enough images to showcase your property effectively, as variety helps guests make decisions. Once you've made your changes, remember that updates can take a short time to appear on the public listing. That's normal. And that's it. Simple, clear steps to keep your Booking.com gallery looking its best.